Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect hosting or domain to Odoo. Alright, let's begin. First, go to odoo.com, click on your profile in the top right corner and select My Databases. Click on the settings icon, then go to Domain Names. Here, you can connect your own domain. Next, log into your Hostinger account, click on your profile icon and go to the back end of your domain. Next, copy the domain name, go back to Odoo and enter www. Followed by your domain name. Now, you need to add a CNAME record. In Hostinger, go to DNS Management, click Add New Record, and select CNAME. In the name field, enter www. For the value, go back to Odoo and copy the database URL provided. Paste it into the value field and click Save. If you get an error, check if an existing CNAME record conflicts with the new one. Delete the old record and try again. Next, get back to Odoo and click Verify. If everything is correct, Odoo will confirm the DNS configuration. SSL certificate generation may take up to 5 hours, so be patient. So that's basically how you can connect Hostinger domain to Odoo. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.